how to make a cinematic text fade effect. So after you've imported your clip, you just need to bring in your text. Whatever text you want to animate, you can bring it in, then select this type to drag and drop, you place it wherever you want to place it, stretch it, put it here, bring it, drag and drop it. Yep. Okay, so once you bring in your text, make sure that, okay, let's elongate this a little bit, let's stretch it out. Once you've stretched it out, then you come to your effect control and look for opacity. This is the opacity. You look for this free drop bezier effect, or this drop bezier tool. You click on it, then you draw like a rectangle on your text. Draw like a rectangle on it. Yep. Also make sure it covers everything, no matter how you draw it. So once, make sure that this particular text is still clipped. Your text is still clicked. Alright, so once you've drawn your rectangle, what you have to do is to come here to this max part. Make sure that this is at the beginning. You click on your keyframe. That keyframe, shift it a little bit further. Like this is the original keyframe. Then you select the keyframe again. Then what you have to do to this particular keyframe you selected is you click on your max. You click on this your max part to see this your rectangle frame you've just done. Then what you have to do is to highlight this and this particular one. Then you hold shift and your left key. You hold shift and your left key till it takes it out. Hold shift and left key. You see, it's taking them out, 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 it's taking them out. Yeah, so then that's okay. You can play. Let's play it. Let's play. So it's a bit slow. To make it faster, you can just this last keyframe, just bring it back a little bit. The closer it gets, the faster it becomes. The farther they are apart, the slower the animation gets. So let's play it again. Alright, this is it. You can bring it a little bit closer again. And yeah, you can add some feather. Yeah, you can increase the feather. Increase the feather to give it that soft. Alright, let's play it again. This is it. Play it again. This is it. Yeah, so it's about your keyframe and your distance. Like I said, your max parts. What you have to do is to highlight these two things. Then you hold shift and your left key from your keyboard. Then take them out in your first keyframe. Then in this your second keyframe is the original one when you didn't touch any of them. So that's how to do it. Then your feather, you can increase it to 150 to 200 to 300. Yeah, just to give you that soft look. Let's play again. Yep, so that's it. Subscribe.